Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about some Pictory AI coupon code. So you can see when I search up Pictory AI coupon code, the one that actually comes up first is from their actual website, right? So this is their official website here. You can get some Pictory AI discount code and you can enjoy the discount code from here, right? So one of the most popular voucher code is a 14-day free trial and it doesn't need any code. You'll automatically get a 14-day free trial when you sign up. But if you want something more advanced, you can go to a website called Coupons Guru here. So you can get a flat 20% off from Pictory AI. So you can see if it's annual subscription plan, you can get a flat 24% discount and also an extra 20% off yearly subscription plus a free trial. If you want to get this coupon, just click get this coupon. And then this is the coupon here, right here. You can copy it directly onto Pictory here. You can see it automatically enter in the coupon code into one of its referral link there. And you can see when you start a free trial or when you want to buy a subscription, the coupon code will automatically be applied. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.